If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey guys, it's Pen Mail Call. Right, so let's get an opening up right now because I will forget. And I want to know what's in these. Well, I already know what's in these. But here's something that's pretty cool, I think. I picked this up from Federalist Pens from Frank. That's the young man right there is only, what, 21 years old. Frank, really nice guy, super cool. You'll love him. Check him out. And this is a receipt. Cool, cool, cool. And don't forget that Federalist Pens has discounts. You can save 10% when you use the discount code PenPal. And then you... That's cats. Okay. Just get in touch with Mr. Frank if you can't find something and let him see if he can help you find it. Okay? So, here is what I came in. Would you like to read that, Mr. Announcer? Because I can't see it.
It's in French.
Oh, it's an adult coloring book. And I don't speak French, but it does say coloring book for adults. It's Clairefontaine. There, see?
Very good.
Isn't that it? Thank you. So, let's open it up, and I will give you all the details on this when I review it. A lot of cool stuff going on in here. Very cool. I think back in 2015, 2016, I was doing some adult and children coloring books. And believe it or not, I've had some emails asking if I still did the coloring book. So, bam, I thought of Federalist Pens because they have some. If you go to their website, under Clairefontaine, you'll be able to find a different selection of adult coloring books. And Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet, very cool, very awesome, really. And I am going to use probably not just colored pencil, but crayons, and probably use some of my fountain pens to give it a whirl and see how this paper does with it. But that's one. Yay! All right, now we'll go to number 2. What is this? I have no earthly idea. Do you, Mr. Announcer?
No.
It's a surprise, right?
Yes.
If I don't cut it all to heck. Here we go. Here we go. Here they are, folks. And this is from the Ink Journal. And thank you, Tom, for sending these to me. I reached out to Tom because when I saw these, I said, these would be perfect for review. And I'm an Ink Journal pen case type kind of guy. And I will review these soon. But let me just show you. They're amazing. Really amazing. Look at this beauty. Well, there's 2. Wow. And I will fill you in with all the details on this. Even got some, oh wow, cool stickers. And this goes on my hat. Very cool. Awesome.
Is that a plant or an octopus?
Octopus. Octopus. In my octopus's garden in the sea. I like to be under the sea. And these are rickshaw. Okay. And then here is another rickshaw. Aren't these gorgeous? They are just dynamite. And this is a pen carry. And I'm not going to put any pins in it right now, but I will do this very, very soon. There you go. Ink Journal. Thank you, Tom. Wow. And he'll be on our Larry Pen Hangout Zoom meetup in November. So you want to stay tuned for that. And let's see, we've got one more package here. I can't remember what this is. Ah! Are you ready for this? Fountain Pen Revolution. Unveiling. Thank you, Kevin, from Fountain Pen Revolution. Look at this gorgeous pocket pen. Fountain Pen Revolution. Just look at the detail on the band. Close-up shot. Beautiful. Gorgeous fountain pen. Fountain Pen Revolution. I will give you a complete review on this fountain pen. But it is something you don't want to miss. Looks like a number 5 nib in there. What's your thoughts on it, Mr. Announcer?
It's a very beautiful blue color.
Yeah, it's a nice small, it's a pocket pen. Yep. Pocket pen. But then when you post it, you got yourself a really nice, comfortable fit in your hand. Why don't you put that in your hand, see what you think
Let's
of
see
it.
here.
Because he has gorilla hands, Mr. Announcer.
It's a little short, but it's balanced well. It's not bulky. It's not too light. It feels good.
All right. So I will be reviewing that. So that's it for Mail Call today. Folks, I will catch you later. Be safe. God bless. And again, thank you to Kevin. I will be reviewing this little honey soon. Wash them hands. Be safe. Peace. Love. And please, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.